Hey guys, this is Jacob Neufeld from American Implement in Ulysses, Kansas, and today I'm going to be going over the e23 transmission. The e23 transmission is essentially a mix of the IVT and the PowerShift 16.4 transmission. It gives you the customizability of the IVT, but it also gives new operators a simple transmission to run. Enjoy! Now let's go over the controls of the e23. So first off, when I press my transmission shortcut button, that'll appear on the screen and that'll help us with our video here. So you'll notice your directional shifter as well as your gear selector is the same as the PowerShift 16.4 was. You have your scroll wheel. Now when you scroll your scroll wheel here, you're actually changing the desired speed of the tractor. So you can actually set your speed the same way you can with an IVT on the scroll wheel right here. You also have your throttle and your eco mode on the side here. You have your set speed 1 and set speed 2, which is essentially the same as your IVT's forward 1 and forward 2. It's easy to toggle between. You can set your set speeds to be going, let's say here, let's set one of our set speeds here to 8 miles an hour, which would be great for infield work, and then having all you'd have to do is press set speed 1 to change that over to set speed 1 at 3 miles an hour if you're doing a headland turn or something like that. Now, you also have an auto clutch feature on the e23, which means whenever you're pressing the brakes, your clutch engages and you can actually stop the tractor completely. You can turn that off here on the display, and you can turn the sensitivity of that auto clutch. You can set that sensitivity as well. Now, in the different driving modes, we have 3 different driving modes, as you can see here. We have full auto, we have custom, and we have manual. In full auto enables the tractor to adjust the transmission and engine based on what load you have and the speed you have it set to go. You just set your target speed and you let the tractor find the most efficient way to get there. Efficiency manager is always going to be on in full auto mode. When you're shifting in full auto mode, when you bump shift, I'm just going to clutch here. When you bump shift in full auto mode, it actually won't change your speed, or won't change your gear necessarily. It'll just change your speed. Every time I bump, it changes my speed. And the faster you go, the more drastically it will change the speed. Now the next mode is in custom mode. In custom mode, you have the option of turning the eco off, which allows you to run at higher RPMs even if it's going to burn more fuel. Custom mode allows you to set your operating parameters. This includes the engine droop, the load anticipation. In custom mode, you can transport at lower minimum engine speed if you have the eco on, or turn it off maybe when your RPMs need to be more consistently high when you're in the field. Our next mode is going to be manual mode. In manual mode, the tractor is operating pretty much the same way a 16.4 PowerShift operates. Each bump shift actually shifts the tractor up 1 gear or down 1 gear. Eco option is available to turn on and off on manual mode, and you also have your custom settings available for your load anticipation and your engine droop. Now, on the benefits of the e23, it's going to deliver the most horsepower to the drawbar from any transmission. It gives you the ability to maximize fuel efficiency while maintaining pulling ability. It's gonna be the most effective in any kind of draft work, and the e23 protects your resale value. That was just a short overview of the e23 transmission. If you have any other questions on that transmission, don't hesitate to call. Our sales phone number is 620-356-3460. Thanks.